was fun. It was a really neat way of mixing up words and learning something new.
Nice. Do you think this could be something utilized in schools for kids between middle school and elementary school to learn nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and verbs?
I think that definitely it probably helps with like people from like 3rd to like 7th grade that like are having trouble like describing things. Like for example, I've seen many people like mix up like like putting verbs before an adverb or adjective, which makes sense because we haven't been taught about adverbs a lot. We're doing.
Well, what did you like about it, Abby?
I think that what you really enjoyed was picking out funny words, right? Words that made you giggle a little bit. Yeah.
Every bathroom word that there was included in those bins, so that shows a lot of forethought. And no, it was funny, and it took Mad Libs and it just reinforced the language. So it's a good project. I think his class would love this. I think they would laugh a lot.
I liked it a lot. Watching from the back, it was good to see the kids interacting and figuring out their own words. He's learning a lot about the adjectives and how to put them together and what they are. This kind of reiterates what they learned in school, and it kind of puts it into practice outside of school, which is fantastic because it kind of helps them grow.
It's great. I think Williams now knows what nouns and verbs are. What's a verb, William?
Again?
Yeah, all right. Yeah, he loves it. It's a great concept. But yeah, he doesn't even need to read in order to do it. Someone needs to read it to him.
So you feel like the color coding allows this to be an easier process for children?
Oh yeah. I think it would be much harder without it for a kid. Because William is 4, so.
Oh, he's 4.
He's 4.
A 4-year-old is doing this.
Yeah. He'll be 5 in June.
Oh, nice.
4.5.
Brilliant child.
Yeah.
Brilliant guy right here.
Yeah, see yellow. Can you read any of these words? What did it say? I think you slapped it too hard.